shops here. This port looks like it's just a shipping port, so it looks like the walk would be quite a bit. And a lot of walking, we decided to go ahead and get the hop on, hop off. But it's a pretty nice port station. Very clean, pretty nice and big. Nice big area for eating later on. I'm sure they're gonna have a large lunch. There's probably 20 plus food truck vendors, host of vendors in the middle. That is Costa Carnival, now Venezia. Nice ship, it's very beautiful. Decided to walk because the hop on hop off bus was very crowded. It was going to take a long time from port, so we decided to walk a little. And this is where it's taking us. It took us to the lighthouse, which was a short little walk, and then it looks like Restaurant Row maybe. This is all within walking distance of the port. Looks like we've passed the restaurants and now we're coming up on shops. They've got these shades that come up over, these things roll up. These white tarps roll up when they don't want them, which is very cool. Some little shopping area that we came across. It's pretty cute.